Hi guys, good evening to everyone. This is Prakash here. From the movie that Mark Watney, it was just connecting me with his struggles, with his survival. You know that it was a one man's strong destination, it was a one man's strong determination to beat the situation and come out uh, with the victories in his life. He really did a great job in this movie and in this journey of struggling, journey of surviving. So that lesson, that first lesson, which related to life as well, that I have just learned, that's bad things can come at any time of your life. So as we all know that there is a ups and downs always happens in your life. Sometime you may be having the best timing and the best moment in your life, but suddenly that bad things hit in your life, and you know that it does not matter that how old are you and who you are rich or that you are poor. Things are coming and it never knocks at your door. So what all you can do, we can do that, we have to be prepared. So in the movie that Mark Warner's life was going good with the crew on the Mars, but you know that suddenly that a bad luck comes due to stroke, and that Mark was separated and he stranded alone in the entire Mars. Next thing what I have just learned, that's we shouldn't lose our hope, we shouldn't give up the hope. So whenever the bad things comes in your life, we never lose our hope, we never give up our hope. And it is the first thing, generally that all we do, all generally we do that things, but that is because if the most of the times now we are not simply not expecting that things are coming and it hits them very hard. So the feeling of being lost and the future becomes very hazy under that situations, under that circumstances. So you are the literally brought yourself to your knees, and you don't understand that what we have to do. So at that time, that's the one of the most important things, that is hope. So we shouldn't leave our hope at that time. It is one of the strongest human emotions. So in this movie that Mark Watney was left, standard alone in the entire the planet, but he didn't lose his hope at that time. And it literally tells that to your brain that something can be done, and that is the only one thing that Mark Watney felt that time. He learned from that situation. Second lesson what I have just learned, that is always go one step at a time. So whenever that hard things or the bad situations comes in your life, and it will overcome, it will go away. But one thing we have to do always, one we have to deal with that situation. Instead of viewing those problems as such a huge problem and what to do we don't know, we have to break those problems into the smaller ones. So in this movie Mark Watney did the same thing. He did a brilliant job by showing that how exactly he is able to knock the problems into the smaller ones, into one after the other. And that second one, that next lesson that I have observed, that miracle can happen at every time. So even you are continuously solving the problems at one step at a time, but it seems like that you are not moving forward one bit the other, one bit with another. So and that's because of that continuously failures can happen on the road to recovery. So in this movie that Mark Watney's farm was completely destroyed, and which he was dependent upon foods and the things, and like that can take you at the various steps backwards. But if bad things can happen in your life, trusted miracle also can happen. But bad things are not like exist for longer period. So all the time we have to trust it that miracles can happen. Just like you enter a rough path in your life and you can just come out from that rough path, all it takes is just a miracle. So these are the life lessons what I have just observed and I have just learned from the movie. Thank you guys, thank you so much, bye.